Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Dr. Vidhima from Giostar, Ahmedabad, and I'm truly excited for today for a very insightful session on PRP and its role in beauty and aesthetics.
Hi, I am Dr. Archana, joining from Giostar, Bangalore. It's a very pleasure to connect with you all today. So, today we will be breaking down on the topic of PRP and its importance. Why is it considered as one of the most natural treatment in aesthetic medicine? And today we have Dr. Anand Srivastava, our chairman and founder of Giostar, a true pioneer and eminent leader in the field of stem cell science.
Thank you, Dr. Archana and Dr. Adima. Welcome you both from Ahmedabad and from Bangalore. And I'm here from San Diego, California. This is a very important topic and a lot of news about the PRP. And when we talk about PRP, and the question comes, what is the PRP? Okay.
What is PRP? Yes.
Okay. So PRP is, in general, this platelet-rich plasma. And when I say platelet-rich plasma, then what is the platelet? Platelet is a component of blood, same as blood has so many kind of cells, like red blood cells, white blood cells, same way like platelets. And so that's the PRP. And everybody must be listening a lot of news related to PRP and use of PRP for different purposes, even for the sport injuries or inflammation and so many things. But today we are going to focus particularly the use of PRP for the skin rejuvenation and beauty. So if you have any question, please.
Yes, Dr. Anand. So we are very curious to know that how does PRP help in beauty? How it may help in beauty?
That's very good question. And as I told, that PRP is platelet-rich plasma. So platelets are, as I told, the blood component. It has lot of factors which helps in rejuvenation or repair or reduce the inflammation of the place. So this is the way if you want, or anybody wants to use PRP for the beauty or skin rejuvenation, it can be locally injected at the skin, whatever the target place in the skin, and that can give amazing results. And we have a lot of good results with the PRP, particularly for the skin rejuvenation and beauty.
Okay. So, what is a possible mechanism?
Very nice that you are talking about the real mechanism, because so let me tell, as I told, that PRP, the platelets, one of the most important job is to thrombosis, the clotting of the blood, but it also has so many different kind of growth factors, and you will be surprised to know most important growth factors this PRP has. Like, and you may be knowing as a doctor that there is a PDGF called platelet-derived growth factor. Okay, PDGF is very important factor for the repair of the damaged portion. And whenever there is some inflammation or something, this PDGF directs the different kind of cytokines towards that portion to heal that portion. And same as TGF beta, transforming growth factor, beta also in the PRP. And VEGF is so important factor, that vascular endothelial growth factor, VEGF, VEGF we say. So that helps in formation of new blood vessels. So suppose your somebody's skin is so much damaged or something, and if you're using PRP that have VEGF, TGF beta, PDGF, so VEGF job is to really make new blood vessels. So if the skin is damaged, blood vessels are damaged, and you using the PRP, the VEGF is there, that vascular endothelial growth factor, it forms the new blood vessels. So the skin is going to be very new. And then same as keratinocyte growth factor, KGF, hepatocyte growth factor. So many important growth factors are there in the PRP. That's the reason the PRP is so important and is so good really to help managing the skin rejuvenation or skin repair. And that's the best thing to do. particularly beside the stem cells. But I'm talking to the PRP, so it's very good to use for the skin rejuvenation and beauty. And this is the time of festival anyway.
So, Dr. Anand, my next question is, how many times it may be needed? Like, how many times it is required for the beauty or the effects to happen?
I think depends again of the situation of the skin and the age of a person, but generally once in a year is more than enough, because it makes entire skin like a new skin, like a baby skin. As I told, so many growth factors are there in the PRP, and those are the most important growth factor, not only 1, 4, 5, 6 growth factors.
So my last question is that, is it very expensive?
Oh, no, you know that it's the least expensive, I can say, seeing the cosmetic and beauty things which is available in India right now. People are spending maybe 20,000-30,000 rupees per treatment. This is just, I think, 6,000 to 7,000 rupees, maybe. Yeah, per treatment. It's not so expensive. It's very economical, the kind of outcome it has.
So this was such a very informative session about PRP, getting to know that our skin can transform and turn out into baby skin. So I think all our audience should try this and this treatment from Giostar. So thank you, Dr. Anand, sir.
Yeah, and I would like to add here, you don't need to worry for, because there is no almost no side effect, because how we prepare the PRP, basically we take the person's own blood, 10-20 milliliter blood, then it goes in the lab, and then we isolate the PRP from the blood, and then it is given to the same person. So basically there is no rejection, no reaction, no side effects. So this is the most safest way to really enhance your beauty.
Exactly.
So I will like to say one thing here for हम यहाँ पे एक और बात करना चाहेंगे अपने हिंदी ऑडियंस के लिए कि आखिर ये पीआरपी होता क्या है। और पीआरपी मतलब होता है प्लेटलेट रिच प्लाज्मा। प्लेटलेट ब्लड का एक हिस्सा होता है। ब्लड में ढेर सारे वाइट ब्लड सेल, रेड ब्लड सेल और ये चीजें होती हैं जो उनका डिफरेंट काम होता है। इसी तरह प्लेटलेट का काम होता है ब्लड को जमाना और बहुत ढेर सारी चीजों में हेल्प करना। ढेर सारे ग्रोथ फैक्टर्स होते हैं उसमें। मैंने बतलाया अभी कि उसमें प्लेटलेट डिराइव ग्रोथ फैक्टर, पीडीजीएफ, टीजीएफ बीटा, वेजेफ, क्रेटिनोसाइट ग्रोथ फैक्टर, हिपेटोसाइट ग्रोथ फैक्टर, ये सारे ग्रोथ फैक्टर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, खासतौर से नए ब्लड वेसल्स बनाने के लिए, नई स्किन को जनरेट करने के लिए। तो इस तरह से पीआरपी बड़ा ही अच्छा काम करता है ब्यूटी को इनहेंस करने में। हम तो अक्सर अंग्रेजी में बात करते हैं और हमारे जो दर्शक हैं और जो सुनने वाले हैं वो हिंदी ज्यादा अच्छा समझते हैं। मैं हिंदी ज्यादा अच्छा समझता हूँ, जबकि अमेरिका में मैं 25 साल से हूँ। मुझे हिंदी बड़ा अच्छा लगता है बात करने में ऐसे भी, तो इसलिए मैं बात कर रहा हूँ फिर से। तो पीआरपी बड़ा ही सेफ है, क्योंकि उसमें होता क्या है कि हम आपका ही खून, पेशेंट का या जो ट्रीटमेंट के लिए आया उसी का खून लेते हैं, उसमें से पीआरपी निकाल लेते हैं लैब में जाकर, और फिर हमारे डॉक्टर्स जहां भी जरूरत है स्किन में दे सकते हैं और स्किन फिर से एकदम नया बेबी स्किन हो जाता है। तो ये है ब्यूटी पीआरपी की। थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग एंड अगेन we'll meet next week on the same.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining.
Thank you so much, Dr. Anand. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Adima.
Thank you, Dr. Archana.